It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn drinking problem. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to cross rock our right over our left, recover back onto your left foot, and then we're going to cha-cha to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, recover back onto your right foot, and you're going to cha-cha to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to weave with a quarter turn, so we're going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do cross point forward and back. So we're going to step our left foot forward and slightly over our right and point your right toe to the right side. You're going to step your right foot back and behind your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to do a modified right sailor step, crossing our right behind your left, step your left foot out to the side, and then you're going to step your right foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're doing your cross point forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2-step half pivots. So we're going to step forward with our left foot, you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our left, you're going to do your half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 3 o'clock. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and then we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. And that is the end of the dance. When you do this coaster step, you do want to slightly allow your body to be angled to the left to go into that cross rock easier. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor step with our slight step forward. You're doing your 2 half pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your cross rock with your right. Cross rock, recover, side cha-cha. Cross rock, recover, side cha-cha. Now your weave. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half, pivot, shuffle forward. Forward point, now back point. Sailor step, forward step, half pivot, rock, recover, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls or a full rotation of the dance so that you know how it flows. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your cross rock with your right. It's cross rock and cha-cha. Cross rock, cha-cha. Now weave. Cross, side, behind, quarter, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Cross point, back point, sailor step, forward, half pivot, rock, recover, coaster step, cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cross rock, recover, and cha-cha. Cross rock, recover, cha-cha. Now weave. Cross, side, behind, quarter, half pivot, shuffle forward. Cross, point, back, point, sailor step, forward, step, half pivot, rock, recover, coaster step. Now your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn drinking problem. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.